the other answer is the percentages don't add up to 100. Okay? Usually, pie charts, every part of the pie add up should make up 100%. But in this case, only 25 plus 23 plus 8 plus 4, all together only 60%. 40% is missing. Okay? Next, question 4. Factorize 5a minus 10 completely. When we are factorizing, we are taking out the common factor in the terms that are present. So in this case, there are two terms. One term is 5a times the bracket. The other term is negative 10 times the bracket. Remember, terms are always separated by plus or minus. So in this case, the front term is 5 times a times this bracket. The second term is negative 10 times this bracket. So factorize, we want to take out what is common. When we look at the number 5 and 10, both can be divided by 5. So definitely we can take out 5. Then 5 times a times bracket. Behind negative 10 times bracket, a is not there. So a is not common, we also cannot take out a. But something else is common, and that is this entire bracket is exactly the same as this bracket. Okay, so 5 times a times bracket, 10 times bracket. Bracket is common, it is present in both the front and the back. What is common, we can take out. So after we take out, what is left inside the bracket is what multiply this to get back the first term. So a multiplied by 5 and this bracket, we will get back the first term. What multiply this will give us back negative 10, and the bracket is negative 2. Because negative 2, when we expand back, negative 2 times 5 times this bracket is negative 10 times this bracket. Okay? So this is the answer. For some of you who need more explanation, let's say we consider there is this 5a times b minus 10 times b. Then it makes it very clear. What we take out is what is common. 5 and 10 take out what is common. A not there. B is common, so we also take out b. Then we are left with a minus 2. So the difference between this and this is just that now my b, I only have one b. Here I have one bracket. But remember, when we have bracket, it is considered together one. Okay, so this bracket itself is just like one part, one letter, just like a b like that. If we can take out b, means we can take out the bracket. Okay. Question 5. The table shows some nutritional facts for 100 grams of cereal. How many grams of sugar does a pack of 375 gram cereal contain? So this nutrition fact is for 100 grams of cereal. But now we have 375 gram of cereal. So every 100 gram cereal contains how many sugar? Sugar here, 29.7 gram. Every 100 gram of cereal, you have 29.7 gram of sugar. Okay, so if I want 375 gram of cereal, how much sugar will I have? Okay, so we don't want 100 gram, but we want 375. 5 gram, one easy way will be we first find how much 1 gram has. Okay, then to find out 1 gram, from 100 to become 1, we actually divided by 100. So how much sugar will we have? We will also have 29.7 divided by 100. Then from 1 gram to 375, we need to multiply 375. Means we also need to multiply this by 375. So we will have 375 multiply 29.7 divided by 100 equals, calculator, 375 times 29.7 equals divided by 100 equals 111.375 gram of sugar. Jaden bought a set of furniture that cost $1,000 for his house. He paid a 10% down payment and the rest in monthly installments over 1 year at a simple interest of 5% per annum. Calculate his monthly installment. So you have to first understand what is happening. Jaden bought a set of furniture. Furniture is $1,000. So out of this $1,000, he paid 10% down payment. Okay, 10% of $1,000. Okay, which is also 10% of 1,000 is $100. So after he paid $100, means he still owe $900. Okay, so $900 is what he owes. Then this amount of money that he owes, he slowly pay back over 1 year at a simple interest of 5% per annum. Means when he pay this $900, he don't only pay 900 already because he owe this amount, but he need to pay 5% per annum of interest for this one. So this $900 need to add on 5% of interest. So first we find what is this amount. So what is the interest? The interest is I equals to PRT over 100. Interest is equals to the principal. The principal is how much you owe. Okay, so he owe $900. So this $900 is his principal. The rate we borrow at 5% per annum. Then he pay the installment over 1 year. 5% per annum means every year 5%. So now how many year? 1 year. So the time is 1 over 100. So it's equals to $45. He needs to pay $45 for his interest. Meaning his monthly installment in the end will make up 900 plus 45 equals to 945. So altogether, after he paid the 10% deposit, he need to pay 945.